Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session we would learn how to solve the practice problem start coding. So first let us understand the question. Basically in this question we just need to print hello world, okay? So we need to solve this question in C++. So what do we need to do? We just need to write cout brackets. Over here you need to write hello world, okay? So this is the question that we have to do, okay? We just need to print hello world using C++. I hope the question is clear to you. Now let's solve it. What you need to do is you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty section, choose basic, okay? Then you need to find the problem, start coding. Once you find the problem, you need to click on solve, okay? So let's solve it. Okay, here is the question. Let's read it. When learning a new language, we first learn to output some message. Here we will start with the famous hello world message. Now here you are given a function to complete. Don't worry about the ins and outs of function. Just add the command cout hello world to print hello world. I hope the question is clear to you and we need to code it over here. Okay, so let's code it. What do you need to do? You just need to write enter cout brackets double quotes hello world, okay? Then you just need to add a semicolon. Now I need to check if my solution is correct or not, so I would click on compile and run. Let's wait. Okay, let's wait. Compilation is completed. My output is matching with the expected output, so now I can submit the given problem. Okay, so let's submit it. So problem is solved successfully, and this is how you solve the practice problem start coding. I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have enjoyed the video, make sure you click on the like button, and thank you for joining me today. Thank you.